Have you ever wondered how some people build massive wealth without having to work harder and harder for it? It's not magic, it's not luck, it's something called compound interest. And it's one of the most powerful financial forces in the world of today. Today I'll be breaking down what exactly compound interest is, and most importantly, how it can quietly turn small amount of money into life-changing wealth over time. Whether you're starting with £10, £100, £1,000, this is something everyone can use. So stay with me, because understanding this can literally change your financial future. The fourth point is very important, so I would like you to stay with me to the very end so that you can catch everything that I'm about to share in this video. Please like this video as we get started. So the first thing here exactly is, what is compound interest? Let me keep it simple. So compound interest means you earn interest on your initial money, and then you earn interest over that interest that you have earned. So in other words, your money makes money, and then that new money also makes more money. So for example, assuming you put £100 in a savings account that yields 5% interest in a year. So after 1 year, you earn £5 over that £100, making £105. And in year 2, you don't just earn 5% over the £100, but you earn 5% over the £105. That's about 5.25 in year 2. So in year 3, you are earning interest about 110.25, and then it keeps growing from there. My key point here is that the bigger your balance gets, the more interest you're making without doing any extra work on it. Albert Einstein once said that compound interest is the 8th wonder in the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. Second point I'll be sharing with you is simple interest versus compound interest. Now you may be thinking, wait, isn't that just regular interest? Not exactly, so let's compare. So with simple interest, you earn money only on your original amount. For example, £100 at 5% interest means you only make £5 every year forever. While for compound interest, you earn interest on your initial amount and over every interest you make over time forever. For example, £100 grows into £105, and then £110.25, and then £115.76, and so on and so forth. The difference starts small, but over time, compound interest wins by a mile. So here, let me make a reference. Imagine two plants are growing together. Simple interest is a straight, steady growth, while compound interest is a growth that curves upward like a rocket after a few years. The moral of this is that time and consistency are what makes compound interest explode. The third thing I'll be sharing with you is the power of time. So this is the real secret. Compound interest needs time to show its true power. So let's say two people, Sarah and Tom, start investing. Sarah starts investing at age 25 and is investing £100 per month. Tom waits till age 35 and is investing £200 per month. Even though Tom is investing twice as much, Sarah will still end up with more money at retirement because she started earlier. Why? Because Sarah's money had more years to grow and more years for the interest to compound. The simple rule here is, the earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes for you. Even small amounts like £20, £50, £100 a month, if started early enough, can grow into 6 to 7 figures for you in years to come. So my challenge for you is this: have you started investing yet? If you haven't already, open a savings account or an investment account today. Even if it's just £10, make sure to plant that seed. And then the fourth point, which is my last point and the most crucial point here, is how to harness a compound interest. Now you're probably thinking in your mind, oh, this is very amazing, but how do I make it actually work for me? So the first thing you need to do is to start as early as possible. Even if you can only invest a small amount of money, time is your biggest ally. The second thing you need to do is to stay consistent. So compound interest loves consistency. Set up automatic savings or investment deposits, monthly, weekly, or whatever works for you. The third thing you need to do is to reinvest your earnings. Don't pull out your interest, let it roll over. Every pound reinvested makes your snowball bigger and even faster. The fourth thing is that you need to be patient. Compounding doesn't look exciting at first. It's like watching a tree grow. You don't see much effect initially, but after years it becomes massive. The fifth thing is to choose the right vehicles. High interest saving accounts, stocks and index funds, retirement accounts like the pensions. Higher returns means faster growth, but always balance risk and rewards based on your age and your goals. So here's the truth. You don't have to be a millionaire to start using compound interest. You just have to start. Even small decisions today, like saving £5 every week, are future acts of generosity to your own self. Think about it. The money you save today or you invest today can actually buy your future freedom. It could help retire you comfortably, and it could build generational wealth for your children and even your grandchildren. Every pound you invest now is like a worker you send out to the world to work for you forever. So start small, stay consistent, be patient, and let the miracle of compound interest build your wealth one powerful step at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share on to others, and let me know in the comment section which of these points hit home today. And on my end screen, you'll be seeing a video here. Please do well to watch it as it promises great value to you. Thanks so much for my returning viewers for always coming back to watch my video. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.